part 2.
But since we didn't get paid, I had to kind of recycle one. Okay, open your eyes. Ooh, it's my old jacket from when I was a baby! Yeah, because it's a surprise. You're welcome. Running makes me tired.
Oh man, this salad looks good. What did you get?
It's yogurt.
That's all you're having for lunch?
Soon it will be cheese. Soon it will be cheese.
Well, if you want some of my salad, you can have it.
Thank you, pretty Patrick.
We'll be back to the Pretty Patrick lunchtime marathon after the break.
Oh man, I love this show.
Stay tuned. We're playing every episode of Pretty Patrick Lunchtime, leading up to a special new episode where we reveal Pretty Patrick's favorite food.
Oh, I gotta know.
Touch my hair.
Yeah, okay,
That's toilet water.
ew. I haven't seen you in a while, Cardamon. How's school?
It's okay.
How's your mom?
Still sleeping. Your toilet is leaking into my toilet. I'll fix it for you.
Oh, you don't have to do that.
Of course I do. I'm your landlord now. I'm sorry. We're not supposed to have pets in the building.
Well, he pays rent.
Soft. Also fat.
Come watch TV with us. There's a new special episode of Pretty Patrick Lunchtime at 9.
I can't. It's my job to fix your toilet problems. I need more room to work.
Oh, okay.
More room. Back up further. Further.
This is as far as we can go. Come on, puppy cat, let's go find a TV. Ugh, I don't like water. Homie. I guess the best bet's a cafe. There's a lot of them. One's gotta be playing the Pretty Patrick Lunchtime Marathon.
Cleavage, dude.
Let's go!
Cleavage? Cleavage, dude? Popsicle cleavage? Hot dog cleavage? Ice cream cleavage?
None of the places are playing the show we like. I don't like telling people what to do. I like that we like the same show, puppy cat. If I could, I'd buy us our own cafe. We could watch Pretty Patrick Lunchtime all day. Decker could work there, and Cass could program some kind of anti-breaking toilet so when Cardamon visits, he won't have to fix it. Money! 10 baht! 10 baht's a huge TV! sand in my suit. Beep, 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 beep. We just gotta go over there and ask Tempot to just let us hang out and watch her till the new episode of Pretty Patrick Lunchtime comes on at 9.
But cleavage?
Using Pretty Patrick! Yay. Yeah, cool.
What? What? No cleavage.
Why does it get so hot? Too many hot dogs.
Yeah, you got it!
I hate water! I hate water! I hate water! I hate water! Not just me, also cats. Are you hungry? Yeah, I know. Yeah, you could.
Why?
Hello, puppy cat. Hello, Bee. My two chubby babies. How you both today? Are you ready for some temp work?
We just need you to be a TV for a few hours. Do you have a remote?
Oh. No, you gotta work.
Wait, but when does he get an outfit?
Transporting you to Cathead Planet. Have fun, little flapjacks.
Cafe. I worked at a cat cafe before. Wow, fancy, fancy. Puppy cat, why is there so much fabric in the crotch? There's a lot. But cats hate water, though. Wow! Uh-oh. A new cafe pet. So cute. Would you like a pastry? Oh, hell yeah. It's made out of fish. Wait, I get to be a cat? Yeah, of course. Usually we have a bunch of different pets to fawn over, but you're the only one today. Do you have a TV? Why, yes, we do. You're all so nice. Come on, puppy cat, let's go watch Pretty Patrick Lunchtime. Pretty Patrick. Do you have everything you need? Yes, thanks. I can't see.
We now return to the Pretty Patrick Marathon. Oh, they forgot to leave out the tomatoes. Do you want it?
It's so gross looking.
Your body is terrible. You're not cute enough to be a pet here.
And it's like, wow.
Shh,
The whole
Puppy
time
Cat,
I
I'm
was
trying to
reading the
listen
list,
to
it's like,
Patrick.
yeah.
Quit harassing our pet!
They're winter pajamas, but it's also a dinosaur costume. Pumpkin pie, rhubarb pie, blueberry pie, apple pie, pear pie, raspberry pie, blackberry pie.
Your coat! It's ruined! That's okay. It's no big deal. I'm always messy at home. Looks like we're gonna have to clean you up. You're gonna lick me? Wait! So who's gonna lick me? We don't clean with tongues here.
Silly, we're in a bathhouse.
We're gonna dump you in a bath. What? Oh, no, yeah. Water! Just lick me, you jerks!
We don't do that anymore.
What? You didn't see any of it? I'm sorry. I was too busy eating to pay attention to you. I'm the worst pet owner ever. Hum, silly pop. Huh? Puppy Cat?
Oh God, we need baths.
Our toilet is fixed.
No cleavage.
Oh, we just missed the new episode. Oh, little giraffe? Dear B, I taped that show you wanted to watch. Oh, yes! Did you hear that, Puppy Cat? Oh. I don't know why you'd want to watch a show where a guy just eats a pile of mashed potatoes, but I'm not one to judge. Spoilers.
Initiating payment.